It's giving a Maryland 50s. I think it's just so cute. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be installing this honey blonde wig that I got off Amazon. The store name is Beauty Forever on Amazon. And I've also bought a wig with them before. This is a 13 by 4 16-inch wig. And when I got the wig, I noticed that the front was pretty plucked, so I didn't really do much of anything to the front. Actually, to be honest, I didn't pluck at all. And if I did pluck, it was while it was on my head. But to be honest, the hairline's pretty great, no lie. I decided to customize the wig while it was on the mannequin because I just didn't want to do the whole process while it was on my head. And also I wanted to add flexi rods and stuff to it, and I just didn't want my arms to get tired. So I parted the hair, and then I went in with a tweezer and I plucked the part to make it a little bit more defined, not too crazy or anything. After that, you'll see me use some flexi rods and some Nairobi mousse to curl the hair. The hair already was a little bit curly. That's what inspired me to put curls into the hair, because the hair did come out the box a little bit wavy, curly So I was like, oh, this is cute. Let me make the curls a little bit more defined with some flexi rods. So yeah, that was my top process. So yeah. And now for the install. I try to avoid ball cap method most of the time, but since I have a big head, sometimes I have to do a ball cap method depending on the wig. So I just decided to do ball cap method this one. Also, I was on the ATL, so it's gonna be on my head for the weekend. I want it to look good, so. And then I cut my ear holes out using my scissors. Be careful, don't cut your ear, you know. Someone asked me what I do with the wig cap, the back of it, when I cut the pieces off. Honestly, you could sew it in with some needle and thread, like a sewing, you sew the back to the cornrows. But I'd be too lazy to do that. And plus, the hair doesn't stay that long for my head or anything. So if it was going to be for maybe 2 weeks, if I was going for 2 weeks, I probably would sew it. But since, I usually do it for a week, maybe even 4 days, because I get tired of wigs beyond my head. So yeah, I don't really sew it. I just let it just there, high key. Now for the wig install, I did take out the front flexi rods and pinned it back, so the front of the hair could lay flat when I put it on my head. You want to be careful doing that because it could make your curls a little bit more frizzy, but I don't really care, so yeah. And yeah, I just laid it with Got To Be spray. You'll see everything I do, so you'll see my process. I just sliced the little lace parts. And I work in sections, so I quickly spray underneath the lace, and then I lay the lace down and I blow dry, and I do that all around my head until I finish my whole head. Also, you really want to make sure that you do not let the Got To Be spray air dry. I mean, if that's what you want to do, go ahead, but with me, it makes my ball cap lift. So yeah, that's why I quickly rushed to get the blow dryer, so my ball cap doesn't have any issues. But yeah, you guys, my apologies, my skin is breaking out. My skin is purging because I just started retina whatever. So yeah, I just cut off the lace, and after cut the lace, I make some space for my baby hair. I wasn't really sure what kind of baby hair look I was gonna do yet, so I was just pulling out random pieces of hair. I only did the side of my head since I want it to be a side part, and I don't care for the rest of my head when I'm just showing the side of my head. So yeah, and then I went with a little bit of got2b spray, and after I sprayed this part of got2b spray, I did go with a little bit of Eben, because you know that was it's a little bit stronger than got2b, but I only went with a little bit, like nothing too crazy. And then I went with my band and I laid it flat for like 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, I decided to do a 2-edge look. So I part out my edges in like a C part, and I pluck a little bit where between the hairline and, like, you know, when the baby hair starts. And you see me using the hot comb to separate my baby hair from the front of the wig, basically. Oh, also to give the hair a little bit more body, I guess, and sleekness on top, I went with a got2b spray, and then I hot combed it to make sure it holds that like body look. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but that look right there. And this time to cut my baby hair, I used an eyebrow razor, and I make sure to cut it long enough, because you know, when you cut it too short, baby, ain't no adding back hair. So I make sure that I cut it long enough, a little bit past my eyebrow, almost touch my eye, but not too long, because then you're not gonna be able to do much with it. But yeah, that's like where I start. And I want my sideburns to be really long too, so I made sure like I cut it long enough so I would have enough to work with. And this time I did not use my dolphin nose one, I just did it like regularly because I had to go. But so I put a little bit of got2b gel at the base, because the base I wanted to lay flat, so got2b gel helps it lay flat. The middle of the baby hair, I use Eco Styler gel, and then at the end I use mousse to give it that soft effect. So after the mousse part, I just use my scissors, because sometimes, you know, the baby hair pieces could be a little bit too long, and I cut those long pieces to make it look right, I guess. Also at the roots and base of the baby hair, I just use a little bit of got2b to make sure everything is flat and, you know, situated. And then I lay it down? Honestly, I did not lay it down, I'm not even gonna lie. I was like, it's already dry, so what's the point of laying it down? I guess if you want to lay it down, you can, but I just didn't want to mess it up, so yeah, I did not lay it down. And then I decided to use my bending brush to brush out the curls after removing all the flexi rods. Yeah, don't forget that kind of concealer and foundation at the end to make sure, you know, that lace is blended into your skin. And then at this point, you can lay it down. I didn't, but you can. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. Wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, so I got this wig from Amazon, like I said, Beauty Forever. But if I did that, hit a like. If I did that, hit a like and hit a subscribe and the notification bell so you're notified when I post my next video, because I have a lot of wig reviews coming. I'm gonna review a couple Shein wigs and a couple more other extra wigs. So yeah. I'm a different time every day. My brother said I look like a movie star. He said I look like TV people and he don't like it. I think I look like Marilyn Monroe, but you know, if I do wrong. Maybe I do hair. Just kidding, just kidding. Comment what color y'all want me to try next. What styles you want me to try next. I might curl it some more, especially in the front. It's getting a little bit, you know, frizzy. Yeah, I'm going to ATL tomorrow, so this is going to be my ATL here. I look like a Southern belle, don't I? Don't feel me. Be sure to check out my last wig install, which was the Shein one, or the one before that. Subscribe if you want to. If you like me, subscribe to my channel. Super Iron Man. Still subscribe. Good. Like, it's just giving Bobbiano. But anywho, I have to go now. I've been sitting here just talking to y'all when I literally have to go. I have to catch a flight tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Deuces.